Gren, which is short for... Okay, sorry. Ay, ay, ang siwa.
Alam ko na alam niyo yung YouTube sa Ordinary Filipino. Nakita ko nga doon maraming audios and videos na ina-upload ko ng mga local artists and Filipino and foreign artists. Tapos meron din mga TV shows na ina-upload yung mga iba-ibang tao sa YouTube. Ano po ang form of piracy din po yun?
To a certain degree, you know, everybody would like to have a certain degree of control over what you perceive or perceive to be your intellectual property. At meron din sa mga ng mga YouTube, it can also be displayed on a guide of being original and authentic, where it can also be easily manipulated. You know, I think from a personal point of view, I've seen much of which is on YouTube. Ang masakit yan, katindi kung developin noong teknolohiya natin ngayon. Napakadali ng Photoshop, mag-Adobe, at napakaraming mo ang pwede mong manipulahan. And that's one of the aspects about the YouTube, why it is a great form of freedom of expression of free speech. It also provides a potential question of it being easily manipulated. Yun ang takot ko sa YouTube.
Ano po yung, para po mag-stop yung ganong natin ng piracy? Kasi po yung ABS-CBN, meron po silang ginagawa. Nire-report nila yung mga users na nag-upload ng videos ng ABS-CBN. Ngayon po as a department of the government, ano yung pwede nyo gawin kung hindi naman itigil right away to gradually eradicate this form of piracy that makes the whole industry suffer?
Alam mo ba that